Hi, this is Ian Camilet, Magalang's official entry for Mr.Philippines 2017. This is Barangay Camus, the place where I grew up. It is being surrounded by rice and cornfields, where we used to play Laro ng Lahi and Osong Tinig during my childhood. What a beautiful view we have here in Camias sightseeing Mount Arayat, one of the famous tourist attractions here in Pampanga. Good trip tayo Magalang.
Buong loob sumama na, darating na. Tara, simulan mo na. Tara, bagong pag-asa, darating na. O kabataan, ang galing naman. Simulan, pagbabago sa bayan, darating na. Tara, huwag kakaba.
This is where I studied, Pampanga State Agricultural University.
The idea of establishing an agricultural experiment station was hatched in 1873 by Spanish businessman Don Bernardo Garcia Coteron and his partner Don Jose Pesaña Pino. The proposed experiment station was named La Granja Modelo de Luzon, or Model Farm of Luzon. They applied for royal grant in the same year, and it was granted in 1874. The Granja will serve an experiment station for their company, Coteron y Compañía, for propagation, experimentation, and cultivation of their cash crops, especially in tobacco. It has 300 hectares of land, located in San Isidro, Nueva Ecija, and took years to construct necessary structures. Come and indulge your taste buds in the comforts of a dreamy bamboo and antique wood rest house, Aves Farm in Magalang, Pampanga. This is one of the tourist attractions. Magalang is politically subdivided into 27 barangays. It is a municipality located within the province of Pampanga in the Philippines. Magalang is part of the 1st Congressional District of Pampanga, where Angeles City and Mabalacat City are also included. Our present mayor is Honorable Maria Lourdes P. Lacson and Vice Mayor Honorable Norman L. Lacson with their 9 councilors headed by Mr. Coco Pangan Gonzalez.
Happy na yung klase ng Magalang. Ano ka rin magaganap ng pinadalis na Limbari? Kasi mo naman ikaw magpagkang kabayan, ikaw nakapalibak o nagiling sa sentro na ng Magalang.
Tara, simulan mo na. Tara, bagong pag-asa, darating na. O kabataan, ang galing naman. Simulan, pagbabago sa bayan, darating na. Tara,
Bartolome Parish Church, Roman Catholic Archdiocese of San Fernando, Vicariate of St. John the Beloved, was established by the Augustinians in 1605. It was the scene of the encounter between the followers of Andres Malong, led by Melchor Lutera, and the Spanish troops in 1660. Moved to San Bartolome in 1734, the church was swept by Parua River in the flood of 1863. We attend Mass here every Sunday, thanking our Almighty God for all the blessings that we are receiving. And now, I am hoping that He will bless me to be the next Mr. Philippines 2017 so that I could give honor and pride to my beloved town, Magalang Pampanga.
Again, this is Ian Camilet. Please support me on April 7 for the Revolution 19.